Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to show you how you can check if your website is ready for AI agents. Like now on, the SEO is not enough and we also need to make sure our website is completely ready to be used by AI agents so it can recommend your correct product and services, whatever your website has to the right audience. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Right now, I'm just going to check about my site, devcodespace.com, and I'm inside my Cloudflare dashboard and on AI crawl control optimization. As I just click on check agent readiness, test how well your site is configured for AI agent. I just click on this link and you can check this link. Which link is this? Let me just try to open it in another browser. So you can also check for your site. Just enter this one. Is it agentready.com? It's a service by Cloudflare itself. So just enter your site and scan. Let's see what we are having on our site and what are the issues that prevent the site from being crawled by AI agents. You can clearly see the score result for devcodespace.com and redirection from this. Yeah, we are intentionally redirecting from World Wide Web version to plain, and the score is 29. So terrible. So I also need to work on it and make it completely ready. Like 2 by 4 on the discoverability, content, bot access, API auth, MCP skill discovery. It also shows you how you can fix it properly. So go and use this tool. Is it agentready.com to test the readiness of your site. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.